We have some breaking news for you at this point of time. The CBI has now approached the Delhi High Court, challenging trial court order of discharging Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia and also 21 others in excise policy case. This, of course, came after today. Arvind Kejriwal, along with Manish Sisodia, were acquitted of the Delhi liquor case. And we have with us Shreya is now joining me live on this story. Tell us more about how we were expecting that the CBI will be challenging this order of the Liquorgate scam, giving relief to Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia. But tell us more about this and what can we expect moving forward.
Well, Raisha, I'm reporting from the Aam Aadmi Party office, and as if we talk about Mr. Kejriwal, he just held a press conference and he said he made a scathing attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that if the BJP had to fight elections in today's day and age, today especially after this court's decision, then they would not even secure 10 seats. Of course, as far as this court's decision is concerned, we have seen the court giving a clean chit to Mr. Kejriwal, to Manish Sisodia and 21 others. It's a huge moment of catharsis, celebration and revival for Aam Aadmi Party, and it will positively impact the upcoming elections. And of course, we understand that CBI will be appealing to the higher court because as the CBI statement says that they felt that the Rouse Avenue court did not look into the case as accurately, and a deeper probe needs to be made. And the court on the other side said that there was no overarching conspiracy or criminal intent in the formulation of this now scrapped excise policy. The court also went on to say in its 600-page order that there is no evidence, not a slightest bit of evidence to make a case out of this matter. Remember that Mr. Kejriwal was incarcerated, and today in his press conference also, and earlier in the day also, we saw how he broke down. It was an emotional moment for him to receive this decision today, and he said that he remained absent from his public life. His political career was hampered because he was waiting for this very clean chit which he received today. The way forward is, of course, CBI will be appealing to the High Court regarding this case.
Right, Shreya, you've given us a lowdown of where things stand, what we can expect, but a quick response from you on this question. The court has also said that the prosecution failed to prove its case, after which both Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia were acquitted from the Delhi liquor gate case scam. And of course, a few moments back we heard those strong words from Arvind Kejriwal where he said that I am a Kattar Imandar politician.
That's right. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is reiterating the fact that, this is allegedly a conspiracy that was hatched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah right before the elections in Delhi. They wanted to dismantle the Aam Aadmi Party. But of course, as you said, that evidence is lacking, and the BJP also highlighted that factor that it is not proven that Mr. Kejriwal is innocent, but the fact that there are not much evidence there. So of course that political flashpoint continues to be there, and the next steps is, of course, the CBI taking this matter to the Delhi High Court. But remember, meanwhile, the court also said that a departmental inquiry needs to be conducted regarding around the CBI officer who made a politician, a public servant, the main accused in this very case linked to the corruption, linked to the excise policy case.
Right, Shreya.